Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be painting this spring bouquet. I'll have all the supplies I'm using listed down in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. I'm going to start by painting the iris. They've got such an interesting shape, so I'm going to try and mimic that by keeping the center petals upright, and then I'm only going to be showing 2 lower petals. All of the petals are kind of facing outward from the center point, almost creating a triangle. Next, I'm going to be adding in my daffodils. The yellow wasn't quite bright enough, so I just painted right over the top of that first petal. I'm keeping a little bit of white space in the middle of each petal to add some dimension and texture without having to add in extra paint. I'm leaving the centers empty for now because I'll add them in later once the petals have dried. Next, I'm going to add in my tulips. To paint the tulips, I created this U shape and then filled in most of the middle. I kept some of that white space along the top to make it look like it had multiple petals. Now that my iris and daffodils are dry, I'm going to go in and darken the center a little bit of my iris and then add in the centers of my daffodils. Now I'm going to go in and add in some lavender. I'm imagining where my stem will go and then painting little inverted dash marks, leaving space where the stems will go. And now I'm adding in the stems. I'm just starting where the center of my flower would be and then dragging the paint downward. I want all of my stems to end in the same general area, so I'm being careful not to go too crazy with the stems. Now I'm painting in the leaves. I'm just adding them in where there's a bit of empty space to help the bouquet feel more full. Now I'm going back in and darkening the centers of my daffodils just to help them define their shape a little bit. To finish this off, I'm going back in and adding some darker leaves just to create more contrast and to make this bouquet pop. And there you have it! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you follow this tutorial and post a picture on Instagram, please tag me at Snowberry Design Co. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I also wanted to let you know about my online beginner watercolor floral course that will be released in April of 2018. In the course, I will walk you through all of my go-to supplies, how I mix colors, and then everything you need to know about how I paint basic roses. I have a waitlist for the course that you can join so that you won't miss anything. I'll leave a link down for that in the description box below if you're interested. Thanks again for watching. Bye!